Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil. In Entrepreneurship Development Concept and Scopes Part 1, we discussed about an entrepreneurship development, who is an entrepreneur, what is an entrepreneurship development and scopes in local and global market related to entrepreneurship. In the second part of Entrepreneurship Development Concept and Scope, we will discuss the following outcomes. The learning outcomes of this part are types of enterprises, steps in setting up a business, outcomes of engaging entrepreneurship, and characteristics of an entrepreneur. Types of enterprise and their features. Enterprises mainly categorized into two parts, manufacturing and service. There is another one enterprise, that is trading, which comes in between manufacturing and service. Let's see about manufacturing. A manufacturing enterprises have been defined in terms of investment in plant and machinery, excluding a land and a building. Manufacturing enterprises categorized into three enterprises. Micro, first one is micro. In micro, we need investment up to rupees 25 lakhs. Small enterprise. In small enterprise, we need investment above rupees 25 lakhs and up to 5 crores. Medium enterprise, we need investment above 5 crore and up to 10 crores. The second one is service. Service enterprises have been defined in terms of their investment in equipment, excluding land and buildings, and further. In service enterprises, we also categorize three parts. First one is micro. In micro enterprises, we invest or we need investment up to rupees 10 lakh. In small enterprises, we need investment above rupees 10 lakhs or up to 25 crores. Up to 2 crores. In medium enterprises, we need investment above 2 crores and up to 5 crores. The third one is trading, which comes in between manufacturing and services. A trading enterprises, irrespective of its investment and annual turnover, are out of the purview of MSME classification. What is MSME? MSME means micro, small, medium enterprises. After seeing types of enterprises, one question comes in front of us, that is how to set up a business. Now here are some steps to set up a business. First, discovery. An entrepreneurial process or business begins with the idea generation, wherein the entrepreneur identifies and evaluates the business opportunity. Developing a business plan or concept development. Once the opportunity is identified, an entrepreneur needs to create a comprehensive business plan. A business plan is a critical to success of any new venture, since it acts as a benchmark and the evaluation criteria to see if the organization is moving towards its set goals. The third step in business is resourcing, wherein the entrepreneur identifies the sources from where the finance and the human resources can be arranged. Here, the entrepreneur finds the investors for its new venture and the personnel, means an employee, to carry out the business activities. Managing the company or actualization. Once the funds are raised and the employees are hired, the next step is to initiate the business operations to achieve the said goals. Last, harvesting. The final step in the business is harvesting, wherein an entrepreneur decides on the future prospects of the business, that is its growth and development. An entrepreneurial process or a business is to be followed again and again. Wherever any new venture is taken up by an entrepreneur, therefore, it is an ever ending process. After setting up a business, different outcomes are engaged in entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur have an innovation or newness in his or her product or service. He or she has skills to organizing resources like finance, people, physical and information resources. He or she create a new product or service using new ideas. An entrepreneur generate a wealth in his or her life, society and for country. An entrepreneur take a risk in business venture. An entrepreneur is prepared to face the uncertainty. An entrepreneur create job opportunities and increase the abundance of wealth generation for the nation. In this slide, we are going to see about characteristics of an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur take an initiative for new business. He or she sees and acts on opportunities. For example, in today's pandemic situation, most of the companies and small industries are focused to manufacture sanitizers, masks, gloves, cleansing solutions for home, colleges, hospitals, etc. An entrepreneur have to maintain persistency in his or her work. He or she should be an information seeker. An entrepreneur concerned for the high quality work and output and increase the productivity. An entrepreneur is committed to their work contract. An entrepreneur have efficiency in orientation. The work done by him or her is systematic and organized planning. Must have the capability of problem solving or learn the capability of problem solving. He or she must have the self confidence, otherwise, remaining characteristics won't work or useless. An entrepreneur have assertiveness on his or her words. He or she have the skills for negotiation with the suppliers and the customers. An entrepreneur have persuasion and influential for peers and stakeholders. He or she must be inspiration for his or her employees. And effective communication is important for external and internal of organization. In next part of this chapter, we will discuss about role of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Thank you.